ਜਿਹੜਾ ਬੰਦੇ ਨੂੰ ਸਟਾਪ ਕਰਨਾ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੇ,
ਹਾਂ
ਜਿਹੜਾ ਵਾਈਟ ਮੈਨ ਆ ਉਹਨੂੰ ਤਾਂ ਕਹਿਣਾ ਹੈ ਡੋਂਟ ਡੂ ਇਟ ਅਗੇਨ ਤੇ ਜਾ ਘਰ ਨੂੰ। ਇਹ ਬਲੈਕ ਮੈਨ ਆ, ਇਹਨੇ ਸਾਰੀ ਟੈਸਟਿੰਗ ਕਰਵਾਈ ਆ, ਤੁਸੀਂ ਵੀਡੀਓ 'ਚ ਦੇਖੋ। ਇਹਨੇ ਆਪਦੀ ਸਾਰਾ ਟੈਸਟ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦਾ ਕੀਤਾ, ਐਂਡ ਤੇ ਫਿਰ ਇਹਨੂੰ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੇ ਬ੍ਰੈਥਲਾਈਜ਼ਰ ਦਿੱਤਾ ਤੇ ਬ੍ਰੈਥਲਾਈਜ਼ਰ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚੋਂ ਥੋੜਾ ਜਿਹਾ ਓਵਰ ਸੀਗਾ, ਵੈਰੀ ਲਾਈਟਲੀ। ਉਹਨੇ ਇਹ ਆਫਰ ਕੀਤਾ ਵੀ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਅਲਾਉ ਕਰੋ, ਮੈਂ ਤੁਰ ਕੇ ਆਪਣੀ ਭੈਣ ਦੇ ਘਰ ਚਲੇ ਜਾਣਾ, ਕਾਰ ਇੱਥੇ ਛੱਡ ਜਾਣਾ। ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੇ ਐਕਸੈਪਟ ਨਹੀਂ ਕੀਤੀ ਉਹਦੀ ਆਫਰ ਤੇ ਉਹਨੂੰ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੇ ਹੱਥਕੜੀ ਲਾਉਣ ਲਈ ਹੱਥਕੜੀ ਲਾਉਣ ਲੱਗੇ ਉਹਨੂੰ। ਉਹਨੇ ਕਿਹਾ ਵੀ ਮੇਰੀ ਕੱਲ ਨੂੰ ਬਰਥਡੇ ਆ ਲੜਕੀ ਦਾ, ਵੀ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਮੈਂ ਤੁਰ ਕੇ ਘਰ ਨੂੰ ਚਲੇ ਜਾਣਾ, ਮੈਨੂੰ ਲੈਟ ਮੀ ਗੋ। ਬਾਕੀ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੇ ਆਈ ਟੈਸਟ ਕੀਤਾ ਸੀ ਤੇ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੇ ਉਹਨੂੰ ਸਟੈਪ ਅੱਗੇ ਕਰਨ ਲਈ ਵਾਕ ਕਰਨ ਦੇ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੇ ਹੁੰਦੇ ਆ ਨਾ ਜਦੋਂ ਟੈਸਟ ਕਰਦੇ ਆ, ਉਹ ਪਾਸ ਹੋ ਗਿਆ ਉਹ।
ਓਕੇ। Today, President Trump signed an executive order on law enforcement reform and said chokeholds will be banned except if officers' life is at risk. Public safety and public trust are crucial to the law enforcement mission. Executive order will be uphold clear and high policing standards, promote accountability in law enforcement, and help equip police officers for construction community engagement. They want that safe policing for safe community, making trust each other with the community and police. So
ਇਹਨਾਂ ਨੇ ਸਾਈਨ ਕੀਤਾ, ਉਹ ਬੜਾ ਟਾਈਮ ਪਹਿਲਾਂ ਹੋ ਜਾਣਾ ਚਾਹੀਦਾ ਸੀ, ਪਰ ਹੁਣ ਵੀ ਇਸ ਵੈਰੀ ਗੁੱਡ ਐਗਜ਼ੈਕਟਿਵ ਆਰਡਰ ਕੇ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਕੀਤਾ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੇ, you know, it's just gaining the trust of the community. So ਜਿਹੜਾ ਦੂਸਰਾ ਬੰਦਾ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਨੇ ਮਾਰਿਆ ਹੁਣ ਅਟਲਾਂਟਾ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ, that guy, he got killed because he don't know कि if they handcuffed him, they can they will be treating him legally. So and that fear the guy ran away. When the guy ran away, better than being killed in handcuffs, he ran away to save few moments of his life. So these kind of things will happen if these things police does not gain the confidence of the public. Public won't be cooperating with them.
Okay, Balaji, you want to be response to this one?
Yeah, I do. This executive order is actually a political statement. It is a smoke screen to just tell people we are doing something, because in all these points in the executive order I read this morning, there is no criteria which can be measured what you have done. They have used the wording like best practices. What is a best practice? That's not a given standard. It's just best practices ke tu ki karda main ki karda. They have just given a wording to soothe people that we are doing something, but koi structurally kuch nahi kita. Structurally police department ਬਾਰੇ ਕੁਝ ਨਹੀਂ ਕੀਤਾ। ਜਿੰਨਾ ਉਹ ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਅਸੀਂ ਨੈਸ਼ਨਲ ਰਜਿਸਟਰੀ ਕਰਾਂਗੇ, ਉਹ ਰਜਿਸਟਰੀ ਕਰਨ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਕ੍ਰਾਈਟੇਰੀਆ ਕੀ ਆ, ਉਹ ਜਸਟਿਸ ਡਿਪਾਰਟਮੈਂਟ ਤੋਂ ਸ਼ੁਰੂ ਹੋਣਾ ਚਾਹੀਦਾ ਤੇ ਪੁਲਿਸ ਨੂੰ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਇਮਿਊਨਿਟੀ ਮਿਲੀ ਹੋਈ ਆ ਉਹਦੇ ਤੇ ਕੋਈ ਐਕਸ਼ਨ ਹੋਵੇ ਤਾਂ ਹੀ ਆ ਨਾ। ਤੁਸੀਂ ਯੂ ਕੈਨ ਸੇ ਵੀ ਆਹ ਕੌਪ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਮਾੜਾ ਚੰਗਾ ਜਿਹਨੂੰ ਅਸੀਂ ਰਜਿਸਟਰ ਕਰਨਾ, ਪਰ ਉਹਦਾ ਕ੍ਰਾਈਟੇਰੀਆ ਉਹ ਜਿੱਥੇ ਇਮਿਊਨਿਟੀ ਸੈੱਟ ਹੋਈ ਆ ਉੱਥੇ ਪਤਾ ਹੋਣਾ ਚਾਹੀਦਾ ਨਾ ਵੀ ਵਾਟ ਹੀ ਵਾਇਲੇਟਡ। ਜੇ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਕੋਲ ਆਲਰੇਡੀ ਇਮਿਊਨਿਟੀ ਹੈ, if they have the immunity, they haven't violated anything. So in the detail, on the face of it, all the black leaders are saying it's a good start. Okay, I mean, I would say to stay positive, anything is better than nothing.
So my question is there, Congress wrote it last week, they are trying to do it, now it is in his table. Do you think whatever Congress wrote it there, he signed it there, or maybe he deleted everything his own way?
No, this is not what Congress wrote. I believe this is
the executive order.
Yeah, this is executive order by the Justice Department. Bill Barr actually created the wording for this.
Okay.
And asked him to sign it.
Okay.
So at least there's a good sign is that at least he agreed to sign this, because
Okay.
sometimes he doesn't do. That's what I'll say. So good part.
The thing is
may-
that how much they do practically, how practically they go on that one. Rules are already in place. But
Yeah.
they don't follow it. They did before the police cameras, and cameras just showing all the stories. You know,
Exactly. Exactly. I
when you
agree.
can see, like on that case when he was choking the guy with his knee, you can see that why we need extra proofs or extra evidences in the courts when this guy is already on it and he's doing something unethical. You know, why they
Okay.
took time to fire him and arrest him?
Yeah.
Public have to come to the.
Okay.
This is why the job of our representatives, our leaders, they didn't do it. That's why public have to come to the streets. They should have saved.
Raji, I think you are coming on the point here. So politicians have to be put their more input. Go ahead.
The politician, you know, the thing was that whenever ਜਦੋਂ ਵੀ ਇਹ ਦੇਖਦੇ ਆ ਕੋਈ ਬੰਦਾ ਇਦਾਂ ਦਾ incident ਹੁੰਦਾ,
Uh-huh.
politicians should jump in.
Uh-huh.
Okay, why it this happened? Now public will come to the streets
Mm.
to avoid that situation burning and all these damages. These leaders should come and they should recommend the higher police authority that to fire that guy or arrest that guy. He have done something wrong.
Mm.
But the local leaders are hiding. They hide when public need help. They hide, and they are doing even fundraising then those times. So
Yeah,
that
that is.
public have to come to the street. They damage, they burn, they do all that. Basically, responsible for that are those political leaders. They don't take action on time.
Oh yeah, they don't have to do it unless public makes noise. Yeah.
Yeah, but public already voted for them to represent them. If they have
Yeah.
a problem, they should come up. That's
Yeah.
what I wrote an article on that democracy have been hijacked by these leaders. There's no more democracy.
Oh.
That's true. No, I agree. 100%. Democracy is 100% hijacked.
Yeah.
Okay, Samraji, I ask a question that in our community, all these current affairs, of course, affect us, our families and everybody around. Some people say, they called me, say, let's go and do the demonstration downtown. The other person, he's a friend of mine, he says, no, we are doing langars and our goodwill is already there. We will lose the goodwill if we go start to do demonstration. So I think let's discuss as a community, what direction we should take. How do we go about it?
We should, we should participate everywhere.
Right.
I went even myself in the protest in Los Angeles.
Right.
Oh,
There
you
are
went
people
it?
with the
Wow.
turbans over there. We are not against the government. That everybody should understand. We are
Right.
part of the grief of the people.
Right.
It's today George Floyd, then another guy, then one day it could be you.
Right.
Are we going to act when we are under the knee of somebody? Langars are something different. It's a very good thing. Langars are a social thing. But now we got to do something political too. Our presence should be everywhere. Do we act? Yes, police is not bad. All the police is not bad. But like the people, public, all the public is not good. Same way, all the police people are not good. We just need to weed out the bad elements.
Right. Right.
ਅਮਰੀਕ ਜੀ ਪਹਿਲਾਂ ਤਾਂ ਕੁਐਸਚਨ ਇਹ ਆ ਗਿਆ ਹੈਗਾ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਦਾ ਕਿ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਟਰੰਪ ਨੇ ਸਾਈਨ ਕੀਤੇ ਆ ਜਾਂ ਕਾਂਗਰਸ ਨੇ ਕੀਤੇ ਆ ਜਾਂ ਅਟਾਰਨੀ ਜਨਰਲ ਨੇ ਕਰਵਾਏ ਨੇ ਵਟਐਵਰ ਇਹਦਾ ਇਫੈਕਟ ਦਾ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਤੇ ਕੀ ਹੈਗਾ ਵਾਟ ਡੂ ਯੂ ਥਿੰਕ ਅਬਾਊਟ ਦੈਟ
I haven't actually had the chance to review what he has said about the policing, but it is not. He's going to take the side of the police. That's what Trump is. He's not going to consult the communities. He's just going to perpetuate. It's not going to be easy to solve this problem. It's a centuries-old problem.
Okay.
And it's going to take time it's in people's minds. What that police officer did to um, George Floyd was not right. He didn't treat him like a human being. They never have from the very beginning. And it's going to take a long time to change that attitude. Public feels the same way. You've seen it on the news recently. This woman telling the woman in the park, go back to your home. Go to your home. Go back to Mexico. Well, should that woman go to? The white woman. Shouldn't she go back to Europe? I think this country belongs to all of us and we have to accept it.
Okay.
It's too late for the white people to say that the country belongs to us and you are here in our country. This country, if it does belong to anybody, it belongs to the native Indians.
Absolutely.
Shouldn't they be saying it to everybody? You go
Yeah.
home. So
That's
it's got to start from the beginning, or we got to stop saying it to anybody. Whoever is here, this country is a melting pot. It is from everywhere. People are here from everywhere. The only people who are here that I think should have a little special place is because are the ones who were brought here against their will. We came here of our own free will. The African people didn't. They were brought here as slaves. Where should they go back to? So it's a deep-rooted kind of culture, and to root it out, it's going to take time, including the African American community. They have to understand, if you're stopped by a police officer, don't fight it.
Yeah,
Let him
that's
arrest
very
it.
urgent.
Fight it in the courts.
Okay. You know what? That's one thing. Question. That's what George Floyd did.
Yeah.
We watched the video very well. The
Yeah.
guy cooperated all the way.
He did.
Okay.
He did.
Nobody can object about it. Now the second guy they recently killed. He's the consequence of that, because he know if they are going to kill me by getting handcuffed, why should not I fight with it?
Because
This is
they're
what
going
the
to put
reaction
their
of
knee
that.
on his neck. Yeah. I
So that-
I
But
completely agree.
now the thing is that today is George Floyd or another guy. Tomorrow it could be anybody else.
Yeah,
Public have to get together. They need to join to fight it. It's
Yes.
not only black and white or brown thing.
No.
It's to me, this is the fight of the people in uniform and the rest of the public.
I think I agree with Harpreet Samra that, you know, the second guy in Atlanta, the one near the Wendy's
Yeah,
restaurant,
okay.
I think it's in Florida.
Atlanta.
Atlanta.
Atlanta. Okay, that guy, he resisted. I can feel for him because he probably thought if I let them arrest me, they're gonna put their knee on my neck and gonna kill me.
That's right.
That's fine.
So
You're right.
he did out of fear,
Oh,
and
very
there's
good.
no
very
need
good.
to shoot him.
Mhm.
There's no need to shoot. Let him get away and try arrest him later.
Very
Yeah.
good.
He wasn't
On
no
the-
threat to the police. No.
On the other hand, I have another point. When an animal runs away from the cage,
Yeah.
they use tranquilizer for that animal. They don't shoot the animal.
No.
But when a human being runs away, they put
Very
the
good
bullets to kill. They don't shoot him in the leg and the shoulder somewhere where person can survive.
Yeah.
Or usually tranquilizers too, that person will get pacified. That person could be under influence of.
Let's get back. I was saying, as a community, I think it's important. That means from the conversation we are having, it's very important. We should participate everywhere, because when others are in trouble, we should help. When we are in trouble, they can help us. So that's like it. I think as a common interest, we should all do.
So,
Right?
Balaji,
Now-
Balaji, what do you suggest that the solution?
I give you an example. The solution is in the system. It's a systemic problem because the racism is on the dinner tables of the white people. That's where it starts. what it is, the system is designed to protect the white man. So when the case goes to the judge
That
gives-
time is gone.
Yeah.
Now there's no white and black and brown. Now people have to stand up for their rights.
I know, but I'm talking about the case. When it case goes to the court, right? Judge gives the instruction to jury, say this is the this is a case, this is how you're going to do that. Jury is given instructions that the judgment of the police officer, you have to take his judgment and accept that. Now, it says subjective judgment of the policeman. They have to change to the objective judgment of the policeman. So there has to be a reason, and he has to say why I have to use the force, not a subjective judgment. That's in the system. Our justice system allows the police to make those judgments, and they use the force, and that becomes their defense that I made it subjective judgment to use my gun.
Is
So
there any is there any issue comes there? We have to be fund some funds there to educate community also. Police, okay, that will be restriction. Everybody say that they should do it. What about the community? Some private social services, social things, they should educate them too.
Now, social workers are, I mean, they're non-existent in US. Social workers can play a role.
Okay.
For example, what Samra was saying, the second guy ran out of the fear, right?
Yeah.
That is true. But remember, there is no, that case was knowingly escalated by police. There should be a social worker trying to de-escalate that case so that it doesn't go further bad. So the police does not do the de-escalation, which is part of the social work.
Okay, very
Yeah.
good. Amrik ji, what do you think about short solution? Immediate.
Let me read to you a very interesting point about whether we should get involved. Can you? These are the words written by a guy who was during the Nazi occupation. His name is Martin Niemöller. Martin Niemöller. He said, he talks about the Nazis. First, they came for the socialists. I
Right.
did not speak out because I was not a socialist.
It's okay. I miss you. I haven't seen you all.
Then they came for the trade unionists. I did not speak out because I was not a trade unionist. Then they came for the Jews. I did not speak out because I was not a Jew. And then they came for me. There was no one left to speak out.
Yes.
So if you Google it, you'll see the statement
Yeah.
that it's time for all of us to stand up against the police brutality.
Beautiful.
Yeah.
And Samra ji, what do
Absolutely.
you think about that? What's the solution?
Solution, just improvement of the policing and give the punishment to them when they do something mistake. They have done their courses. They have all the knowledge, and they know they do all these brutal things without fear.
Yeah.
They should be punished. They should be charged like the average people do some crime. Over there, people from the, like in Georgeford case, people from the outside are hooting at them. Okay, don't do it, don't do that, don't do it. There are 3 guys holding his legs and hip, and 1 guy is keeping people away. All those 4 guys, they should be equally criminal charged for the thing. Then other people will think 1,000 times before they do anything wrong to the public. You know, they're public servants. They're being paid with our tax money. They are our servants. They are not our bosses.
They don't behave like servants. They behave like
They
bosses.
behave like they own us.
Yeah.
They are being paid with our money.
Tax dollar.
They are for our service. They are not there to kill us. They are not there to teach us. Wherever public is wrong, they need to discipline them.
Mr. Samra, do you think that our community, let me say that what we have to take a part in our community should together, first of all, and then our say will be there, some places. Is it possible?
Yeah. Yes, our community can get together anytime. You don't have to have 1,000 people. You have 5, 10, 15 people. You can make a difference.
Okay.
First of all, you meet your local leaders.
Oh, local
Then you
leaders.
have
Okay.
meetings with the police chiefs.
Right. Very good. Okay.
Give your suggestions.
Right.
Then
Right. Right.
it's kind of, it need to be a public movement.
Very good. Amriq Sidhu knows very well about this. We already did it 2 times. I think that police chief
Yeah.
that we spent 2 times for videos. We talk to them. We have meeting each other. I think Riverside is a very success story. That story should be in other cities also. Like Bal Sidhu is sitting in that area, and you are sitting all around downtown, other places. So let me start working on that area to bring a community together. And definitely, this is a success story. Amriq, you want to say something?
I think it has to start with the police.
Okay.
The black people react.
Uh-huh.
We are our Indian people, is the especially Asian community. We don't.
Okay.
We are more of a subservient. We
Mhm.
because of the British rule in India, we
Mhm.
want to accept the police brutality and not revolt against it. We're used to it. We're used to it in the police in India. They don't treat people nicely. So we
This
have
got
to
to be an international movement now,
Yeah.
including India. The police should be disciplined.
Yes.
Aha, you are coming to the point I want to say next one there. Let
Yeah.
me see that, Amriq ji. Let me say that you already did in that Riverside area. I know that. Let me proceed further. Balji, you are taking responsibility in your area that we can make a network in that your area.
We
Of
can,
course.
we
Yeah,
can,
yeah.
yes.
Okay, that will be done.
Let's
Yeah.
do one at a time. The black people, when they are being arrested, they resist because they know if they get arrested, they're going to be killed.
Oh, that's the reason you say.
So
Yes,
it's the,
they have a fear in their mind already established
Okay,
for
okay.
Yeah.
years.
Very good
the
point.
fear for their life.
Balji, you are agree with that?
Absolutely. They don't have the trust of the police.
Oh,
So
very
police
good.
has to change their behavior. That's
Very good.
no other way.
Samra ji, I think you raised the question that India or Punjab, do you think they will learn from that anything from us? There's something happening a lot here.
It's okay. There's a big lesson to learn over there. The thing is that the people have to get together. They won't learn themselves. We have to teach them.
Okay.
People and the police, they are our relatives. They are people like us. They are our brothers, sisters. But they have got open power to do anything to anybody.
Okay.
India ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਉਹ ਚੱਡੇ ਪਾੜ ਦਿੰਦੇ ਆ. Where is that law for that?
That's
ਕਿ
very
ਕੋਈ
good.
ਬੰਦਾ, there's not even there's no proof or nothing, and they have been harming people, their health. They don't feel they are not guilty. They don't
I
find
think
anything with them.
I think Balaji gave already one idea there. We have a very educated police people in Punjab now, very professional, law, LLB, all that. So is it possibility we can start promoting that one? He already talked to me one time that we can promote a police officer who doing a great job for our community. What do you think about that?
I have been here too, I tell you.
Like
Number one, I tell you, the biggest lesson from me is that all the cops should be college graduates, not school dropouts.
Very good, very good. Very good.
Yeah, education helps.
Educated mother.
Yes,
Yes.
education helps. Then they will be better people. You hire the people who are school dropouts or just school pass with minimum marks. What kind of treatment they can give to the public? What do they know? To my knowledge, they should be at least college graduates. Let's pay them little more money. Let's taxpayers take that burden.
Let me wind up now. Let me, Amriq Sidhu ji, your turn now. What do you think about that? We can be upgrade like that?
I think we can help. I was talking to my nephew yesterday in India.
Uh-huh.
He said the recently the police have been told, when somebody is not obeying the curfew, don't beat him up.
Okay.
You'll be fined. Go home.
Okay.
But that's a step in the right direction.
They are friendly. I have seen too.
Yeah.
ਪਹਿਲਾਂ ਡੰਡੇ ਵੀ ਚਲਾਏ ਸੀ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੇ, they did it, but later on I
But
think
only when the public stand up, then they change. Otherwise,
Yes.
they didn't change
Yes.
themselves.
Okay.
Yeah.
Let me
So here, public have to be united too. Then they will change themselves.
beautiful.
Yeah.
Balji, can you wrap up now? Finally.
I think RD discussions are beneficial because we can all come to an understanding of what's our next approach should be. You know, we should continue that. Different subject matters. ਜਦੋਂ ਆਪਾਂ
Appreciate for
Yeah.
that. Thank you for your time.
Thank you very much watching this program. Let me introduce to our associates who participate in this program. All these members are belongs to NRA Press Club. First is Baljinder Singh Sidhu. He's an engineer and he settled in Los Angeles, California. He came from Toronto. He used to work in IBM. Second our associate Amrish Singh Sidhu, and he is settled in Riverside, California, and he came from UK. He is also engineer. Third our associate is Harpanjan Singh Samra, and he is a producer supplier in throughout the United States and Canada, and he has also big farm in California. He has a master degree in economics and he's also called Okra King. Myself, your host, Gary Singh Guriwal, and I used to work as a engineer in automotive industry, and now we are doing some NRE Press Club, helping our community and seniors and young children in education area. We will continue to host some programs and hot topics continuous regularly, and you will watch that. Thank you. God bless you. Bye-bye.